we're at London's Design Museum, a destination for contemporary architecture and design. The building used to be the former Commonwealth Institute, which was refurbished by John Pawson and reopened as the Design Museum in 2016. Today we'll be checking out Ai Weiwei's exhibition titled Making Sense. It is a thought-provoking exhibition that presents his work within a design context by exploring themes around civilization, culture, and the objects and structures that emerge from them. His coloured house installation outside the exhibition features a timber frame from a wealthy historical mansion in eastern China, which Ai Weiwei painted in industrial colours, blending ancient and modern elements and elevating the structure on crystal bases to enhance its presence and status. In the exhibition, the artist showcases his extensive collection of objects, spanning from ancient to modern, which he accumulated over the past 3 decades amidst China's rapid urban development. It is an investigation into how we make sense of them. Some of the objects' functions are unclear, and their value is subjective. By laying the pieces out in vast numbers, he hints at the suppression of individuality in modern China, whilst challenging our perception of these items and exploring the tension between the past and the present, handcrafted and machine production, preciousness and worthlessness, as well as construction and deconstruction. This photography series documents Ai Weiwei's life back in Beijing after spending 12 years in the States. This was when he developed his interest in collecting historical and crafted items. When Ai Weiwei first came across these balls, he didn't quite know what they were. I'll give you a second to have a guess. These handmade porcelain balls are ancient cannonballs, and although they may appear precious and delicate, their purpose isn't. These broken porcelain pieces are fragments of Ai Weiwei's bubble sculptures that were destroyed when the Chinese government demolished his Beijing studio in 2018. The pieces have been repurposed as art and demonstrate the repression he endured. This installation contrasts modern, mass-produced Lego pieces, a medium that the artist started working with in 2014, alongside deconstructed and reconstructed historical tables and columns. There was a time when Lego briefly stopped selling to him, but this led to generous donations of bricks from the public. His Lego Water Lilies piece is a recreation of Monet's famous Impressionist version. It's the biggest Lego art piece he's created so far. The mass-produced medium removes the personalized touches from the artwork. Even so, the color effects are stunning. Here, Ai disrupts our expectations by applying new materials to everyday objects. The helmet is made of glass and is placed on top of foam crafted from solid marble. Here too, he reworked disposable objects to emphasize their shifting value, like the toilet paper that was extremely precious during his upbringing in China, or during times like the pandemic. This field, composed of a sea of spouts, shows the vast porcelain production in China already 1,000 years ago. If a pot wasn't made perfectly, the spout would be broken off. He also uses this as a metaphor for freedom of speech, where the mouth is being removed. These are tools dating back to the late Stone Age, which the artist found cheaply at flea markets. They remind us that the origins of design are intertwined with survival. They could easily be museum pieces, but instead, he challenges our perception of these rare finds by arranging them in abundance to make them seem common and ordinary. With this one, he contrasts commercial branding with ancient craftsmanship. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe for more videos like this.